The important is to discuss that changing what? When we talk about the transformation of the organizations, which is a continuous process or a continual process, then we definitely ask a question that changing what? What actually changes in the organizations? And this is a very important question. Let us take this question and try to answer. There is a cube before you. This is known as the change cube. And it was again contributed by Henry Mintzberg. This is a wonderful contribution in the sense that it helps understand change in organizations. And change, you all know that it's a well-debated issue in the organizations. In the cube, you can see that there are different labels. On the top cover of the table, the box, the cube, you find out on the left two labels, from formal to informal. Then on the face, you find out on the top conceptual and on the bottom concrete. And then there are two categories, strategy and organization. Then under strategy, there are four labels: visions, positions, programs, products. And under organization, there is culture, structure, systems, and people. Ladies and gentlemen, this cube actually now explains the whole of the story. The organization, with its culture, structure, systems, and people, represents the configuration. And as the process, as a response, the strategy, on the other hand, with vision, positions, programs, and products, represents the strategy. The organization is the cart and strategy is the horse. And both in strategy and organizations, some things are at the conceptual level and others are at the concrete level. Say in strategy, visions are conceptual, and in organization, cultures are conceptual. If you say that, show me your vision, I can't. I can show you a statement, but this may or may not be the true reflection of the vision in organizations. And you say that, show me the culture, I can't. You will have to live with us to feel our culture. Because vision and culture are conceptual. They are not concrete. Though they significantly affect the concretes, but they are essentially conceptual. And then, when you talk about positions and structures, these are also predominantly conceptuals, but position of a person or an organization can be felt more concretely. And the structure, yes, you can have a feeling, but still it is more conceptual, less concrete. And then you talk about the programs and systems. Again, these are conceptual but also concrete. And when you come to the bottom, products and the people, these are very concrete. In organizations, people are most visible. And on strategy and the products are. Actually, what changes or changing what? In organizations, these all things change. From vision to positions to programs to products. In organization, from culture to structure to systems to people. And these are conceptual as well as concrete. And they change both formally and informally. Formally and informally in the sense that intentional programs are made to change them. And also they change informally without any intentional programs. Hope through the cube, you have understood that what changes in the organizations and how does it change. Always remember that change is a very debatable topic. On one hand, the consultants or the practitioners believe that change is something which can be done. And on the other hand, there are theorists, academicians, scholars who believe that change is not something which can be done or which can be managed. We'll talk about it in details shortly. Thank you very much.